Namaskar and welcome. And today we are joined by the powerhouse team behind celebrating legendary divas of music, a spellbinding tribute to the voices that defined Indian music. From classical legends to playback queens, this show brings their stories alive through song, poetry, and performance. Joining us today are the incredibly talented guests. Let me first start with Priyanka Barve, who is a celebrated Hindi and Marathi playback singer whose unforgettable performance as Anarkali in Mughal-e-Azam musical wowed audiences worldwide. From films like Me, Vasan Rao, Panipat to Anandi Gopal, Priyanka's voice spans genres from Bhavgeet to Bollywood, Thumri to Sufi, showing her deep connection to music. Next, let's also welcome Sunaina Khachru, a US-based producer, writer, and award-winning poet. She has performed at Carnegie Hall and collaborated with legends like Sonu Nigam, Sunidhi Chauhan, Shankar Mahadevan, and Ali Sethi. Her work has also been praised by Shashi Tharoor. And we also have with us the man making it all happen behind the scenes, that is Mohit Chitnis, founder of Seattle-based Mumbai Masala and the national promoter bringing this show across the USA. So let me welcome all of them to ITV Gold. Welcome, and it's an honor to have all of you to ITV Gold.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Ma'am.
much for having us.
Thanks for having us over. Yeah.
Thank you, Jyoti.
So, let me start with Mohit. Mohit, I want to ask you, what inspired you to bring this, celebrating legendary divas of music to audiences across the US?
I have been in, by the way, by profession, I'm an accountant. This is my passion. And I have been in event management business for last 8 years, since 2017. But so far I have done 5 US tours of Bollywood music concerts with different themes. I know Priyanka for last 5-6 years, and I was very much impressed the first time I heard her. And since then, I've been trying to work with her. But for one or other reason, it didn't work out. Finally, when she was here in USA for her Mughal-e-Azam tour, we sat down and we talked about it. And she said, I would like to do a solo concert where I can give a tribute to all female singing legends to whom I'm inspired to sing. So, and I like that theme a lot. So we both decided to move on and start working on it. And here we are. So I'm doing something different. That I have a great pleasure of doing that. This is the first time I'm doing, which is not a very typical Bollywood theme show. So it's something different I got to do, and I'm very happy. And for first 2 shows, we got a huge round of applause. Priyanka was appreciated in Chicago and Los Angeles.
And Mohit, as you said, it definitely is a different theme, and even I'm looking forward to see this. So my question goes now to Priyanka and Sunaina. How did this beautiful, poetic musical collaboration come to life? Let's start with Sunaina.
Thank you so much. As Mohit said that, Mohit approached me and asked me if I can be part of this wonderful tribute to the legendary singers. See, Jyoti, without our stories, we are all irrelevant. Right?
Absolutely.
Otherwise, any story, there are so many people performing Bollywood shows, which is amazing. That's great. It adds to the artistry. But sometimes, it's good to look back. हम यहाँ तक कैसे आए? है ना?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
तो हमारी कहानी का वो हिस्सा भी जरूरी है. There are people who inspire us. We read Maya Angelou. As a poet, I read Maya Angelou. I read Amrita Pritam from India. So these people contribute to our thought process. We always say that artists don't build bridges, they don't bring aeroplanes, but they build people who build these things, right? So how did we get here? So Priyanka, I'm really thankful to her and to Mohit to make me part of this big storytelling, because a lot of these women, these divas, if you look at their work, they're not these random singers. They
Absolutely.
are the spiciest girls of their times because they not only did they sing, they also changed the tapestry of the scene. They infused their artistry, their talent with whatever folk music they knew, whatever classical music they knew, and then to take it to the next level, they broke the barriers in many ways. We can talk about that later. And the interesting thing about this is that I would not have been able to say this two shows before, but now I can tell you I performed with Priyanka in last two shows. She is a lethal combination. And when I say that, I'm actually being very I'm not able to phrase it rightly. So this is the closest that I can come to how it all comes together. How she goes from one peak to another peak. You're like, हाँ ये गाया अब इससे अच्छा क्या होगा? There you go. These are like acrobatics of music. Now it just doesn't happen like that. Right?
बिल्कुल.
There's so much of hard work. There's so much of जो आपकी मेहनत है वो आपको right now she is this meteor that we are all seeing rising because वो रोशनी में आई है ना अभी
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन वो रोशनी में आने तक is a million years of hard work and for me to be on the stage and to lead it from one story to another, it's a pleasure, it's an honor, and I'm thankful to both of them to make me part of this storytelling.
Bilkul, Priyanka, I want you to add your few cents to it too and hear your beautiful voice.
Sure. Thank you so much, Sunaina and Mohit Dada. So I've been doing my solo concerts, but I wanted to do something, which deeply resonates with me. And I love to explore new genres of music. I started off as a playback singer, but then gradually I started learning ghazals. Ghazals, I mean, they really inspire me. So then after ghazals, I started exploring thumris. I started doing abhangas. I started doing a little bit of semi-classical. And I come from a very rich musical background. My grandparents, they were classical singers. My grandfather was a disciple of Pandit Omkar Nath Thakur ji, and my grandmother, Manati Pandey, she was a famous she was a famous playback singer of her times. So music runs in my genes, and I really wanted to do something where you can really explore yourself, you can really challenge yourself, and that's how this idea came into my mind. Why not give a tribute to all these singers, legendary singers who have inspired me throughout my journey, from whom I've been learning just by listening to them, and pay my tribute, pay my homage to them. So that's how the idea came into my mind, and I just shared it with Mohit Dada, and he was really kind and really sweet, and he instantly agreed, and he was like, let's do this, and then I had listened to Sunidhi's song. I got to listen to Sunidhi's song a few years back, and Sunaina had written it, and it was so beautiful. I liked her poetry. वो जो depth है उनके poetry में, बात करने में, वो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. And I asked Mohit कि can we have Sunaina Kachru ji on this project, and I'm so glad she instantly agreed, and that's how it has all come together.
Absolutely. And when I was just looking at all this, and you guys are like honoring legends, like Lata ji hain, Asha ji hain, Begum Akhtar ji hain. So tell me, like, थोड़ा मुश्किल हो गया होगा आपको डिसाइड करना कि कौन सी दीवाज को हम फीचर करें, किसको नहीं, तो कैसे डिसाइड किया आपने?
बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, क्योंकि एक कॉन्सर्ट की एक लेंथ भी आपको मायने मतलब दिमाग में रखना है कि 2.5 घंटे का कॉन्सर्ट है, और किशोरी जी है, अबिदा परवीन जी है, फरीदा खानूम जी है, बेगम अख्तर जी, लता जी, आशा जी, श्रेया जी, चित्रा जी, so many. But of course we keep changing our songs. Now Chicago में I had a set list जो वहाँ के लोगों के लिए थी. Then LA के लिए थोड़ी गुजराती लोग थे, तो उनके हिसाब से हमने set list बनाई. And so abhi now I'll go to San Jose. There are so many Maharashtrian people waiting for me. So I'll change the list of songs again. So keeping the Diva's constant. I'll be changing the songs in between. But yeah, it's so much fun. It is for also for the musicians and all the creativity, musical creativity that happens on stage. We really enjoy it.
Lovely. So, let me ask Sunaina कि let's talk about अभी न्यू जर्सी में शो हो रहा है. So, हमें बताएं when is the show happening and what should the audience expect, like music, poetry, nostalgia, surprises. Just give us a little sneak peek about it.
You just spelled it out. You just spelled it out. But New Jersey, New York area is very special to me because this is where I landed 25 years back. So it is kind of homecoming for me. It's also homecoming probably for Priyanka because her show Anarkali was featured. It was show there in Lincoln Center. It was played. Her song from Anarkali was they danced it in Times Square. I mean, that was a history in making. So for us, Jersey, New York area is important. We are doing one show in New Jersey on 28th and another one in New York, 29. So for me, New Jersey, New York area is very important. It's my homecoming. And also, this is a place where it's a melting pot. I see New York as a melting pot. काफी सारे संस्कृतियों का मिश्रण है वहाँ पे, इसलिए हर एक के लिए जगह है ना. और मुझे last year when we performed with Gayat ji in Carnegie, I saw that even for a classical concert like that, so many people showed up. Right? So जो nuances हैं, जैसे प्रियंका जी ने कहा कि ठुमरी की एक अलग requirement है as a singer. गजल में you have to make sure every word is chiseled to the perfection. Like जो आप गजल को गाना, if ask me, I always, when I look at somebody like her and they're singing, I feel कि इत्र महक रहा है. Because itra is not perfume, it's concentrated stuff, right? It's a concentrated form of art. So ghazal singing is like that. So when we listen to a certain playlist, we just listen to one mood. Here, she's presenting all of this with her artistry, with this story about these divas that all of us know. These songs, we've heard, we love them. Now we are listening to them again. The interesting thing is that there is a new arrangement to some of these songs, which will be unique. वो एक नई जान भरना musically.
बिल्कुल.
So that infusement you may not have seen. So I want people to come. They will be surprised and they will thank me later for saying that.
So, especially Mohit ji, I just want to ask you, since you are working with two like solid, rock solid ladies, so how does it feel for you?
They both are very nice to me. They respect me a lot, and I'm thoroughly enjoying working with both of them. I had heard many nice things about Sunaina, though I just met her first time when we got together in Chicago. But I have been hearing a lot of good things about her from some of my friends in Boston. And Priyanka, we have been in touch for last... first time I met her in 2019. So for last 6 years, we have been in touch. So we were already very friendly. So I knew it's going to be very easy working with Priyanka. She's extremely versatile singer. I mean, from her generation, probably she is one of the best, most versatile singer, I think, and many other people think, because, in this concert, when you will see from Subbalakshmi, Begum Akhtar, Shobha Gurtu, she goes to, of course, Lataji Ashaji, then she goes to Farida Khanum, Abida Parvin. There is so much variety in this show, and no matter whose song she is singing, no matter what genre of the song she is singing, she is excelling in every single song. I'm really lucky to do a tour with her.
But I understand you're lucky to have both of them, working with them, but is there a moment ever where you disagree or आपस में थोड़ा बहुत झगड़ा हो जाता कि नहीं ऐसे नहीं करना, वैसे नहीं करना, ऐसे करना, वैसे करना, so आपस में argument हो जाता है कभी कि नहीं?
Well, we never got into any argument because it's a teamwork. And I always make sure that singer narrators, you have to make them comfortable, otherwise they don't perform at their 100%. So no, we didn't have a single argument, and we will not have an argument. Not necessarily I will think same way as they do,
Yeah.
but that doesn't mean that
But we all
I'm
have
going to
the
do my way.
creative freedom that we need.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we all, we all compromise and working together fine. And same thing we'll do for next 2 weeks.
Wonderful.
Yeah, and Jyoti, I
Yes.
will just say that few lines that तेरी कमजोरियां भी तेरा हिस्सा है, इसलिए दिलचस्प तेरा किस्सा है. So it is all of this that brings us together. It's a moving show, as Priyanka mentioned. It's the framework is fixed, but within that framework, we keep seeing. We give sometimes even in the interval, we feel audience is saying this, right? We get a pulse from the audience,
Right.
and based on that, she changes. She says maybe this will work. We all sit together. It's a moving show. The different, rather than calling the disagreements, I would say that the conversation is how do we make it better? How do we move it forward in the right?
Excellent. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and I would like to add one more thing that these two concerts are going to be very, very special, New Jersey and New York. Because when we came with Mughal-e-Azam, we performed in the prestigious Lincoln Center in New York. And when I was 21 years old, I had the first experience of watching a musical. It was Phantom of the Opera, and I was completely blown away. And I was really, really inspired by the protagonist who was, who was singing, who was acting, who was dancing. And I was like, I wanted to be her, and I wanted to do something like this. And then, of course, Mughal-e-Azam happened, and the rest is the history. And we got to, perform in the hub of the Broadways, that is New York. And we got so much of love, so much of blessings. And again, in New Jersey, we were fully packed in New Jersey. And so yeah, these two cities are really, really special, and I'm extremely looking forward to performing there, because there is a huge Indian audience in New Jersey and New York, and मतलब वो बहुत जानकार लोग हैं, बहुत उनके कान बहुत मतलब उन्होंने इतना संगीत सुना हुआ है कि I'm really looking forward to have the great connoisseurs.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
मेरा एक सवाल सुनैना के लिए definitely है. Crafting the narrative that connects all these iconic voices must have been like quite a journey for you. So tell me, what is it like when you are trying to do all this? Is it like emotional? Is it challenging? Or is it like a bit of both?
I would say it's a bit of both. I give you a small example. The other day, Priyanka was singing Lag Ja Gale. And after that, I have some narration point. I got lost into her singing. And the reason is that she's singing so beautifully. You get lost because, at some point in your life, you have made this song your own. हम तो बेसुरे लोग हैं, लेकिन फिर भी गाते हैं ये गाना जब अकेले गाड़ी में होते हैं, कभी तसल्ली की आवाज बन जाती है वो. Sometimes, when we are far away from home, we think of these sounds as the sound of dal chawal of home, because it brings us closer to that emotion that we have once lived. So while I was trying to script it all together, I was going through all of these emotions that when did maybe my father, when I was a young child in Kashmir, I was listening to this song. When we moved to Jammu, this song came into my life. When I had an opportunity to recite my poetry to Lataji in 2014, that time I didn't know it was going to happen, so I was not ready for it. So great. But once I stepped out of that house, what song did come to my mind? So you have your own connection to these songs as well. But one revelation for me through this journey has been knowing so many other things beyond these songs, because these divas were more than just their artistry.
Right.
They were human beings who changed, they daur badle, challenged certain frameworks that were there. Some of these, Shubhalakshmi ji was the first musician to perform in Indian musician to perform in perform in United Nations. Lata ji has so many first world credit. काफी सारी लड़ाइयाँ हक के लिए, आर्टिस्ट के हक के लिए ये दीवाज ने लड़ी हैं. तो वो लड़ाइयाँ हमें नहीं लड़नी पड़ रही हैं. So they made this path easier for us. For me, that was a revelation, and I, for a moment, मुझे लगा कि वाह, क्या इनकी इस पनाह में कुछ और देर ठहर जाएं तो कितना अच्छा होगा.
Beautiful, beautiful. You know, since you guys are Sunaina and Priyanka, I want both of you. I know you are a very good singer, Priyanka. I have heard so many songs of you, especially on YouTube पे मैंने सुने हैं. And of course, Sunaina की तो बात ही क्या. You know, Sunaina is amazing with her words, her poetry. So just एक line आप दोनों अगर गा के सुनाए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा.
ये कुछ पंक्तियां प्रियंका के जो उसका जो जर्नी है उसके नाम. She talked about her family, she talked about her artistry, so I just कुछ पंक्तियां कि चमक रही है परों में उड़ान की खुशबू.
Wow.
चमक रही है परों में उड़ान की खुशबू, बुला रही है बहुत आसमान की खुशबू, भटक रही है पुरानी रुबाइयां ओढ़े, भटक रही है पुरानी रुबाइयां ओढ़े, मेरे गीतों में मेरे खानदान की खुशबू, मेरे खानदान.
क्या बात है.
Beautiful.
हमको मिली है आज घड़िया नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से.
Wow, that was like really beautiful, and I wish I could keep on like hearing both of you. You guys are amazing. I have to say
Thank
that.
you.
You
Yes,
guys are
they
really
are.
amazing. And definitely, you know, जितने भी हमारे viewers हैं, I know जो भी आपको देख रहे हैं, they will be definitely like कि हमको टिकट लेनी है और हमको आना है, इनका शो definitely देखना है. And this is just ये तो it was not even from the show, but it is just the basic thing. But I'm sure the show is going to be amazing. So I want both of you to describe in one word show. Like, how would you describe to someone जो कि पहली बार ऐसा different show देखने जा रहा है, एक word में इस show को describe करें?
No, I just want to say that we have been getting great reviews, and people will surely take away something from this concert, and I like musically it's going to be mesmerizing experience for all of them, I'm sure.
Thank you. And Sunaina?
I think I'll just rephrase what she said. Same thing, that people who have seen the show, they have taken something for themselves, and it's a dream, kind of a dream sequence of all the divas coming together. So it's the songs are by the divas, but these are the songs that belong to audience as well, and we're just bringing it all together on a platter, and it's a beautiful evening of soul-stirring music.
Wonderful. So finally, I want to ask the last question to, of course, Mohit. So आप हमारे viewers को ये बताएं कि how can they get the tickets, where can they get the tickets, and support this incredible, I would say, artistic journey.
Our show in New Jersey is on June 28th at UC Pack, and on June 29th in New York in Terrytown, and we have links for them. If you Google us at UC Pack, you can get the tickets. And same thing with the Terrytown Hall. If you Google that, our tickets are available there. Thank you. And this is one of the rare opportunity for people from New York and New Jersey to listen to probably one of the best singer of India from younger generation, who will present you mesmerizing songs of many female legends in 2.5 hours, and several different genres she will cover. This is a unique opportunity, unique show. Please don't miss it.
No, we are just super excited and thrilled to come to New Jersey and New York. और आप बड़ी संख्या में उपस्थित रही हैं वहाँ पे, and we are really looking forward to have a wonderful musical evening with all of you. So yes, हम आप सबका इंतजार रहेगा और आप सबका इस्तकबाल करने हम हाजिर हैं.
Yeah, as I said, New Jersey, New York is my homecoming. So घर के लोगों को क्या ही invitation देना, वो तो आ ही जाएंगे. पर मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि हम लोग जब when we look at लता जी and आशा जी who performed in New York earlier, we always say काश हम गए होते, है ना, एक मन में आता है काश तब होते तो गए होते. This is your opportunity to be part of the history. Priyanka is an amazing artist and she's doing amazing work, and we are all in this show together. So we want our New York, New Jersey people to be part of that as well, and I know they will be.
And you know what? I would like to wish all three of you all the best. And definitely, I'm looking forward to watch this beautiful, mesmerizing show. And once again, thank you so much for coming on the airwaves of ITV Gold. Thank you.
Thank you so
very
much for
and
having
looking
us, Priya.
forward to meet you personally.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.